Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to show you folks the Boston Whaler 2020 230 Outrage. This boat is meant for, it's a 23-foot boat, but it's meant to go in deep water. It's got the huge flare of the bow here. It'll take good sized waves, no problem. Very dry boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 230 Outrage. Let's start at the back of the boat, powered by the Mercury Verado V8 4-stroke. It's an incredible new engine by Mercury, very quiet, ton of power for this boat. Right onto plane quick, plenty of top end on it, gets you out 50, 100 miles out, just like that. Live well, right here, conveniently located. Does have a ski tow bar that is easily removed if you don't want it, with some rod holders. You got a comfy seat for 2 adults here. If you don't want to, if you're going fishing, you can just take this, fold it away. What you have here is you got a really nice prep table that comes down for burying your bait and everything else. And this whole thing will slide down and become a seat. So you can actually use this as a rear-facing seat while you're fishing. Igloo cooler down below, dedicated storage. In this particular whaler, we've got the electronics already in already. So we've got it outfitted with Raymarine touchscreen. You got the Smart Craft, and you also have the Raymarine VHF and the Fusion stereo. So what a beautiful helm setup. Everything you're gonna need conveniently located right here. The cabin is really a huge head area. It's a pump out head, and it's plenty of room, storage, everything else. Ton of room down here for a 23-foot boat. As we move forward, you've got a forward-facing seat for 2 adults comfortably. You can keep fishing here. You can ice it down, so it's got self-draining, so plenty of room for that there. And then we've got a U-shaped seating, and then you've got the windlass in the front, and it's got rails all the way around the boat, so it's a really safe boat. You've got the T-top on there. It's going to go anywhere you want to go. So if you got any questions, would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194, and please sign up for our YouTube channel.